How to write an application letter for Fresher Chef. Application letter Fresher Chef format. Date, May 4, 2019, 2:08 TTN. Address, postal code, country. Subject, applying for a role of chef as advertised on. Date, to whom it may concern. Dear Mr., Mrs., through this letter I wish to express my interest towards the position of chef in, name organization. The opening was advertised on, date advert, in, name newspaper, and I will be obliged if you consider my application to be of one the applicants to be interviewed in your esteemed organization. I believe I meet all the requirements listed in your advertisement. As a diploma graduate in culinary arts, I have deep knowledge regarding culinary products and businesses. I understand all aspects of kitchen operations in areas of menu planning, purchasing, kitchen safety, recipe development, and food cost analysis, and quality control. I can cook various dishes, including traditional, national, and international cuisines. For your further consideration, I have a Diploma 3 degree in culinary arts from, name University. I have good command of English as well as computer and internet. I have good interpersonal skills. I am hard-working person, able to work well under pressure as individual as well as in a team, creative, detail-oriented, pleasant, and convenience in dealing with people. Thank you very much for your attention. Working with, name organization, will certainly be an honor for me. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me directly. I will be available on phone, T+000, and email@email.com, in case of any query. Looking forward to your reply. Yours sincerely, name, signature, formal name plus title, attached. Resume. Check out and download the template. www.allbusinesstemplates.com